Hello student, standard 7th English medium, exercise 3.3 question number 4. The performance of the students in the first term and the second term is given. Draw a double bar graph, choose an appropriate scale and answer the following questions. So here table it's given that the information of subject English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social Science, and the two terms here it is given, first term, second term, there obtain marks also here it is given. So just here we have to draw the double bar graph. So see here the double bar graph of the given information is as follows. So the now after that here it is, we can see that two types of graph, first term and the second term. So there are separate that types of figure, and adjoining both the graphs we have to draw. So first term and the second term, English subject marks, here it is 67 and 70, and then after Hindi 72 and 65, in Maths 88 and 95, Science 81, 85 in the second term, and the Social Science is 73 and 75. So then after here we have to take the on the y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 10 marks. So then after on the y-axis one by one we have to take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and up to this 100 marks. And on x-axis let me take here subjects. So there are different types of subjects here is given that. So then after if we represent in the graph, then first English subject, so here it is first term 67 marks. So 67 it means between the 60 and 70, and 70 marks in the English in the second term. So both graph here we can see. And then after Hindi, so in the first term 72 marks, so approx here it will becomes after 70, and the 65, so it will be between the 60 and 70. Here it will be represent. Now then after same like that there after subject Maths, Science and Social Science also we have to represent on the graph. So after that answer the given question, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most. So after observing the graph we can say that there was a maximum increase in the marks obtained in Maths. Therefore, the child has improved his performance the most subject in Maths. And then after second number question, in which subject is the improvement the least. So the answer is from the graph it can be concluded that the improvement was least in Social Science. So Social Science it will be the improvement is least marks. And the third question is, has the performance gone down in any subject? So yes, here it is, the graph will be observe that the performance in Hindi has gone down. So we can see that in Hindi subject the marks is going down.